Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting, I wouldn't change a thing. 'Cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting, I wouldn't change a thing. 'Cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting, I wouldn't change a thing. 'Cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you.
Watch all night, 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 watch all night.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be. all night.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Days move on like all the time, and my highs and lows are worse in the evening. Then you come around, spin my world upside down, taught me how to fly higher, higher. 'Cause when you spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand, you wanna stay with me now. You wanna stay with me now. Days move on like all the time, and this gray sky breaks my mood every morning. Then you come around, spin my world upside down, taught me how to fly higher, higher. Won't you spin me all around again, again? 'Cause when you spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand, you wanna stay with me now. Spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand, you wanna stay with me now. Days move on like all the time, and my highs and lows are worse in the evening. Then you come around, spin my world upside down, taught me how to fly higher, higher.
Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining toward the end of the video. Today I'm gonna talk about these two topics: the outfit choices for spring, and then the autofocus on this 50 f1.2 on the R6. So the first thing, before our shoot, we have to decide what kind of outfit matching the location, because we knew that we were going to this park right here, and because it's a spring style, and this one we can, even the cactus vibes, you can use the contents later to the summer as well. So it can work as the future content in case you want to plan out your feed to post later into the spring toward the summer. Like you can post this into the May or June. You can still is still suitable for the season. So the first thing, we knew that the location has a lot of heavy dark green, and there's some yellow in the background right here. So what we were planning is I asked the model is if she has any like patterns, like flower pattern or any spring color. So the first thing, she gave me a couple choices, and then we chose this dress, the red one. And then the red one is good to stand out on the cactus because the red against the dark green is good, and especially if there's a pattern, is good for the sprint. So just keep that in mind, that for the color contrast, it's kind of like based on what you see in the nature, because in the nature most of the side background is the dark green, and then the flowers are in the red color. So you can just use the nature contrast rules to choose the outfits. So this is the first outfit, and then the second one is the light color. So because it's a spring, it's getting warmer, the weather getting warmer, so I want the lighter color instead of dark color. Usually the darker color usually shoot in the winter, and then the light color is good for the spring. So we chose this one, the light purple with the white skirt. So it's very like spring, between spring and summer season. So it will fit your feed, Instagram feed, if you want to post some spring into the summer season. You can use this set as well. And especially the light color, you can shoot some backlight with it. It's good for backlight. Also, when we were walking around, we saw these plants. So it's a good contrast with this light purple, with the nice contrast of darker pink color. They are in the similar color palettes, so they complement each other nicely. So that's the couple things that take notes, that when you shooting spring to summer style, choosing some lighter tones and lighter color palettes to lighten up the image. So that's one thing. The second thing is just the autofocus on the RF50 F1.2 lens. It's quite good. It's sticking to the eyes, very sticky to the eyes, the box. You can see that throughout the video. Even in the full body, these are the full body. When you press the shutter, it automatically like when you press the shutter right here, and then it automatically identify the left eye, and then it's sticking on it when you start keep holding it. And even the side profile right here, you can still see that it's like tracking the eye movement. Even the head slightly move up and down. So it's very stable box, sticky to the eyes. So just one thing to notice, is pretty good on this RF1.2 L lens. So yeah, these are the two things came out of my mind. I want to talk a little bit about. One is the outfit choices for the spring, and then the second one is just the autofocus performance on the F1.2 RF50. Some of you asked me to compare this 1.2 to the new Sony. So I currently don't have that in my hand, and once it's available for rental, I will do a video on that, comparing those two F50 F1.2 lenses. So these are the two quick thoughts, and thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.